Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi. In this video, this is gonna be our part 2 of divisibility rules. Okay, I think you all are enjoying divisibility rules because this is an enjoyable lessons. Of course, you have to enjoy and you have to feel interest on these topics. If you don't feel interest, so you can't learn. You have to feel interest on mathematics. So that's why you can perform very brilliantly. So don't delay, let's get started. So now, what we will learn first? So in this video, we will learn divisibility rules. This is correct, but we will learn first rule for 8. Okay, so what will be the rule for 8? Of course, you have to remember this. And first of all, let's read the rule in the green box. I wrote it. Okay, you can see the rule is a number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits from a number divisible by 8. So this just means a very simple thing, but you have to know that is in a number. Suppose it's a huge number. I'm giving you an example to making you more understand. So just like here, look at here, look at the board. I am making it more deep or bold. Like what number can I write? Okay, just write a random number like 8. Okay, I'm writing it a very in a small font. 8 2 6 4. Hey, what is looks like 4 4 then 5. Just this is the number. Then what we have to find here, we have to find here is the number. Okay, this is the number. Then here last three digits. What are the last three digits? These are the last three digits. Last three digits from a number divisible by 8. If this number is divisible by 8. If this number is divisible by 8, last three digits are divisible by 8, not the sum actually. Okay, don't like this 6 into 4 into 5. What is that? This 15. 15 is not divisible by 8. So the whole number is not divisible by 8, is not divisible by 8. Actually, don't do this because this is not a sum. Just last three digits number. Okay, don't do this mistake. Anyway, what can be sum? I'm saying sum actually. Last three series number, is it divisible by 8? Let's verify here. Okay, let's verify. What is that? 606, 4 and 5 divisible by 8. I think you all understood well already. What will be this? This is I think 8 into 4, 8 into 7. 8 into 7 is 64. Okay, no, this is not. Sorry, 8 into 8 is first of all we can write here the remainder will be 0, so I won't write anything, so the 5 will be come down, and then the 8 is not divisible by we can divide 5 with 8, so we have to end it here. So what do we have? We can write. So mainly we understood that this is not divisible by 8, so we don't need to write more things at the end of the division, so we don't need to do this. We verified that this is not divisible by 8. That's enough. Okay, so we found that this number is not divisible by 8, and you have to know this rule, what I wrote here. If you know this rule, so you can verify for any numbers. So let's see what will be the next. So in the next way, or in this time, we will see the rule for 9. Very, very important. Okay, 8 can you saw that in my previous time there was 8. That's not a more useful, but this is very, very important actually. Anyway, let's see the rule first. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digits. So in the previous time you saw there was not a sum. Okay, if the sum of digits is divisible by 9, so the whole number is divisible by 9. So let's verify for a number. Select a random number first. What we can select? Let's select a number 5. Oh, it's those curve. 5 4 3, 2, 1. Going ascending, I mean descending this. Anyway, we have to verify what is this actually. Oh, here you can see first that this is the number. We have to find the summation of this number digits actually. So we can write this 5 plus 4. Added this together. It's not a big deal. 3 plus 2 plus 1. This looks like almost a number. I think I in my previous in one video I show you how to find a natural number sum. So that's the formula. What was the formula? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. So what is the value of n here? The value of n here 5. So 5 into 5 plus 1, what will be that? 5 into, that means 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 5 into 6 is, what is that? 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15. So the summation of these numbers is 15. And is the 15 divisible by 9? Is this 15 divisible by 9? No, 15 is not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. So we saw for 8, that's also not divisible by 8, and here also this is not divisible by 9. So let's select another random number which can be divisible by 9. Anyway, let's select another. I can clear in one click anyway. Then let's select another random number. Okay, so which number we can select now? We can select 6, 4, and then 3, 5. 64, 3, 5. Okay, let's say a word for this. Or we can add here another 9. This looks like a 5-digit number. Looks very well. Now find the sum. What we use here? I'm using this color anyway. What will be the sum? 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9. Are you looking at a little hard to find the summation? No, very easy. Just find the summation first. What will be this? 10, 13, and 18. 18 and 9, 27. 27. Now we can see a very thing, that is 27 is the summation of these digits. So 27 is divisible by 9. This 27 is this 27 is divisible by 9. So we can say the whole number is divisible by 9. So we can mark here tick. Anyway, so we finally found a random number which is divisible by 9. So anyway, these were our rule. You can say this is the rule for 9, and you can say this is the rule for 8. So I think you have to remember these rules to solve this type of divisibility problems. So I think you all enjoyed this video very much. This was very enjoyable, of course. Anyway, in the next part, I will show you more rules. Okay, because I think I will also create more two videos about these divisibility rules. Anyway, this video is here. So if you are watching this video, so of course share this video with your friends. That will be helpful for them actually. So, and of course subscribe the channel, and if you are watching on Facebook, so follow this page. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.